Hi everyone. In this video today we are going to discuss about the bins and racks management in the inventory module. Now what is this bins and racks? A storage type generally contains several storage spaces or slots. These are called storage bins in the warehouse management and inventory management. The storage bin is the smallest available unit of space in a warehouse. The storage bin therefore describes the position in the warehouse where the goods are can be stored. Normally what happens in every organization, wherever the stores department is there, they maintain the stocks. Now maintaining stocks is one major task and maintaining huge materials is a one more task. Now if you have very less products, you can maintain the stocks very easily, but if you have many products in the organization, in the stores department, then it is very difficult to memorize. So in this case the stores department people will maintain the bins and racks in their stores department. Now how that will happen in Focus-ERP? I'll just show you how that will work in the Focus. Let me log in into the company. After logging into the company, there are few settings which you need to do is, first, in the configuration transactions, default tag settings, you have tags in the preferences, default tag settings, you need to have the inventory tag as a warehouse. This is must to handle the bins and racks. Also there is one more option called in the inventory. You need to maintain the quantity and value by warehouse. Okay, also you need to check the negative stock. Okay, check negative stock, you need to check. Also you need to check input units in the transactions. Again we have batch. In the batch you have to enable the batch. Okay, to maintain the batches you need to enable the batch. Okay, once these are done, just update and click on OK. Okay, the next checkpoint is you need to go to the masters. Okay, click on home button, masters. You have a warehouse master. Here you need to create the warehouse. I have created the warehouse as RM warehouse. Okay, here in the warehouse you click on this arrow and click on customize master. In the customize master you click on general header details. Here you have bins. Okay, click here. When you click here you have properties. You need to check this option as mandatory. If you don't check this option, the bins module will not work. So make sure that this mandatory checkbox is must. Once you check this mandatory box and click on OK. When you click on OK, you will get a message, field updated successfully. There is one more setting you have to do here is, see here you have include groups. Here you have to select all data. Okay, if you select all data, then only you can see the group names. Once you are done with that, now you go to the warehouse master. You have a warehouse master here. Here in the warehouse master, click on RM, edit this, double click on this. Here you have to select the bins as a group name. I have created the groups in the bins, so you have to select the group name. So for this warehouse, whatever you have grouped respective bins, it will be populated. Okay, let me go to warehouse master again. I will go to SFG. Here I have selected as a SFG group name. Here you will see all the warehouses, but you can select the group name here. Once you are done with this, now let me re-log in. Once you are re-login, whatever changes you have done, that will be refreshed. Now let me go to the purchase voucher. I'll just punch one purchase voucher for vendor A. I'll just select the warehouse as RM. Okay, in RM warehouse I have created 3 bins. So let me show you that also. I go to the bin master. Here I have raw materials group in the bin master. In this I have 3 different bins. Here I have just given the capacity, column number and level number only. Like this I have given for all the bins. I have given the individual capacity as well as I have given the group capacity also. I have not given any group capacity. Okay. Now once this is done, what you need to do is you just go to the purchase voucher, select the vendor. After selecting the vendor, you just give the warehouse. Now on selecting this warehouse, whatever the bins we have tagged in the bins master and warehouse master, it will appear here. Now I am selecting the item as R1. I'll select the purchase account. I'll just select the quantity. I'll just give the batch as B001. Now you see here you will get the bin invert menu. You click on search. Now you see all the bins which are tagged to the RM warehouse, those bins will appear here. Now you can click on pick. You can click individually and click on pick, or you can click on auto allocate. When you click on auto allocate, now you can see here whatever the quantity you have taken here in the purchase voucher, it will be picked. Okay, then you click on OK. Now you click on save. Pick amount and save. Okay, let me show you the same voucher picking another warehouse. I'll select SFG warehouse. I'll come here. I'll come to the bins. I'll click on search. Now you see for SFG warehouse there is only B4 bin. I'll click here to be allocated in the field to be allocated. I'll click on pick or auto allocate. Click on OK. So like this you can allocate the bins. Once this is done, you can go and check the stocks. You have inventory, reports, stock analysis by batch. Okay, you have bin report also. You can go to stock details by bins, stock balances by bins, stock balances by item by bins, expired stock by bins. So let me take stock details by bins. I just select all the items and click on OK. Now you see it is showing me that I have B4 bin which is having 10 quantity and my product name is R1. Like this you will get the bins report. Now if you want to sell this item, just go to the sales invoice, click on new, make sure the warehouse tag is here, and also you need to give the in inventory tab you need to give the input bin location. Okay, let me select one customer name here. I'll just select the same warehouse, SFG warehouse, select the same item. I'll select the sales account. I'll just select the quantity. Now when you click on this, now you will get the batch. Now you click on quantity adjusted, click on pick on FIFO and click on OK. Once this is done, again you will get the bins. Here you can click on search. Now you see this particular item, it is showing in the before. Okay, now you have 10 stock free space, you have 4990 to be picked. Click here and you click on auto allocate and click on OK. Now you save it. Click on pick and click on OK. When you do this, again you go and see the stock details by bins report. Now you see, previously it was 10, I have sold it 5, now the quantity is showing only 5. This is how you can see the stock details by bins and by batches. So this is how the bins module will work in Focus-ERP. Okay, if you like my video, please give a like and subscribe. Thank you.